So we tend to listen to Italian music because I especially like it. Because after all, we are in Italy, and in my opinion, we should value Italian culture. Then on certain occasions, perhaps background music, restaurant music, relaxing music, very calm ones that enable you to enjoy a peaceful and serene dinner or lunch in a tranquil and soothing atmosphere that promotes a sense of relaxation and tranquility. We typically keep the music volume low in order to avoid disturbing our customers while they are having lunch and dinner. In the evening, when we no longer have customers to clear the tables, we increase the volume to work more efficiently, with a higher level of productivity and a greater sense of joy and enthusiasm. Customers who have listened to our system were surprised because they stated that there is a pleasant sound, there is no distortion, and sometimes they have even heard the high volume levels. Moreover, they spoke highly of the external helmets. At this specific location, we prepare authentic Romagna cuisine with a revisited twist and unique flavors. Taking all factors into account, let's say, all things are sourced from the farm. The meat is obtained from the farm. We create the pasta ourselves using a dough roller. They are all authentic, kilometer-true things practically. In my perspective, music combined with a delightful dinner, a delightful lunch, completes the experience in the sense that it relaxes you, makes you feel good, and enhances the overall ambiance of the meal. Music, in my opinion, when you're at the table, if it's not too loud, if it doesn't bother, it's very important. The experience at a musical and culinary level must go hand in hand. It has to be special and unforgettable in both the musical and culinary aspects. Otherwise, if you happen to hear music that sounds bad, too loud, annoying, you will not want to go back to that place anymore. A customer must come to Torre del Marino first for the landscape. In my opinion, our hills are beautiful and should be further enhanced. We have lost our way a bit. Secondly, also for the culinary experience they can have here, because in any case we try to treat them in the best possible way. We try to make them feel comfortable and make them have an experience to repeat as soon as possible, hopefully.